Hi, I'm Oscar Pereira, the founder of Code Skin Pro and the ex-founder of Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. Today we're going to do a demo of our Harmonizing Facial, which is a brightening and glow facial for sensitive skin. This facial contains lactic acid and niacinamide that brightens skin and also contains aloe vera, chamomile, antioxidants, and other gentle ingredients that nourishes, hydrates, protects, and soothes sensitive skin. Now let's watch the demo.
Harmonizing facial for sensitive skin. Step 1. Cleansing. Harmonizing cleanser. Apply the contents of the sachet on the neck and face and massage in circular, anti-clockwise movements for 3 minutes. Emulsify well with water to work up a rich lather. Then wipe clean. Step 2. Deep cleansing. Harmonizing powder cleanser. Empty the entire contents of the sachet in a glass bowl and mix with little water till the powder dissolves completely. Apply it over moist neck and face with a treatment brush and massage for 5 minutes. Wet hands and massage to work up a rich lather. Remove the product with a spatula and then wipe clean. Remove blackheads and whiteheads if required. Step 3. Toning. Harmonizing essence. Apply the contents of the sachet on a moist cotton pad and tone the neck and face with gentle tapping movements. Leave on. Step 4. Massage. Harmonizing massage gel. Apply the contents of the sachet on the neck and face and give massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe clean. Step 5. Harmonizing brightening cream. Empty the contents of the sachet in a small bowl and apply on neck and face with a packed brush. Leave on for 10 minutes. Emulsify with water and then wipe clean. Step 6. Harmonizing mask. Empty the contents of the sachet in a small bowl and apply on neck and face with a packed brush. Leave on for 10 minutes. Emulsify with little water and then wipe clean. Step 7. Serum. Hyaluronic 7+. Apply drop by drop on the neck and face and leave on. Step 8. Protection. Mineral sunscreen. Apply on the neck and face and pat into the skin till absorbed.